I'm going to be showing you how to round to the nearest significant figures. So it's either 1, 2, or 3 significant figures. So the rules for counting significant figures are as follows. All non-zero digits are significant. For example, 43,678 has 5 significant figures. All of them are non-zero, hence they are all significant. If the zero or zeros are between two non-zero digits, they are considered significant. So for example, we have 100,567 has 6 significant figures. The two zeros are between two non-zero digits, which are 1 and 5, so they become significant as well. Zero or zeros after or before a number are not significant. For example, 5,000 has only one significant figure, so you do not count the zeros after 5. 0.0076 has two significant figures, so you do not count the zeros before 7, so you only have two significant figures. How to find a significant figure? So the first significant figure of any number is the first digit, which is not 0. So the first significant figure of 30,458 is 3, because that's the first digit which you can see which is not 0. The first significant figure of 0.00782 is 7, because that's the first digit that you can see which is not 0 as well. The second significant figure of 30,458 is 0, because 0 comes after the first significant figure, which is 3. The second significant figure of 0.00782 is 8. That comes after 7, which is the first significant figure. So we're going to round to one significant figures. 36. The first number that you see, which is not 0, is 3. If the number to be rounded, in this case is 3, is followed by 5 or more, we're going to round it up and then add 0 or zeros to keep the place value. If it is followed by 4 or less, you're going to keep the number. 3 is followed by 6, which is greater than 5. So we're going to round up 3 into 4 and changing 6 into 0 to keep the place value. Next, we have 5,478. The first significant figure is 5 and is followed by 4, which is less than 5. So we're going to keep 5 and change the other digits to 0 to keep the place value of 5,000. Next, we have 67.25. The first significant figure is 6, is followed by 7, which is greater than 5. So we're going to run up 6 to 7, making it 70. So we don't need to change the 5 to zeros because it's not going to change the place value. Next, we're going to round off to two significant figures. First one, we have 844. The second significant figure is 4, and it is followed by a number 4, which is less than 5. So the rule says we're going to keep the number 4. So we're going to have 840. 42.64. The second significant figure is 2 and is followed by 6, which is greater than 5. So we're going to round up 2 to make it 43. The next, we have 0.087764. The second significant figure is 7 and is followed by 7 as well, which is greater than 5. So we're going to round up 7 to 8, so making it 0.088. There is no need to write zeros in place of 764 because that will not change the place value. So now we're going to round off to three significant figures. First, we have 9,433. The third significant figure is 3 and is followed by a number which is less than 5. So the rule says that if the number to be rounded is followed by a number less than 5, you're going to keep the number. So we have 9,430. So to keep the place value, we're going to change the last number, which is 3, to 0. Next, we have 2.7892. The third significant figure is 8 and is followed by 9, which is greater than 5. So we're going to round up 8 to 9. So we have 2.79. So again, is no need to write zeros after the number as it does not change the value of the number. Next, we have 0.007867. The third significant figure is 6 and is followed by 7, which is greater than 5. So we're going to run up 6 to 7. So we have 0.00787. Now we're going to have an exercise. We're going to round the following numbers to the number of significant figures as indicated. So while you're working on this, I want you to click on the pause button and press play again when you want to see the answers. These are the answers. For the first one, the answer is 0.08. The first significant figure is 7 and is followed by 8, which is greater than 5. So round up 7 to 8. Second one is 49.16. So round off the two significant figures. So we have 49, as 9 is followed by 1, which is less than 5. The third one is 8,888. The first significant figure is 8, followed by 8, which is greater than 5. So we round up 8 to 9, and we have 9,000. Next, we have 7.0078. Round this off to three significant figures. So the third significant figure is 0, followed by 7. So 0 becomes 1. So we have 7.01. The last number is 2.98517. Run off to two significant figures. 9 is followed by 8, which is greater than 5. So 9 becomes 10. So this will turn into 0 and add the 1 to 2, making it 3. So the answer is 3.0. I hope you got all your answers right, and thank you for watching.